Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to use and navigate the hospital round list screen. Practitioners that do their daily hospital rounds would greatly benefit by using the hospital round list. Efficiently manage your list of admitted patients and establish a streamlined workflow. Record essential clinical information for each patient, which can be used to generate comprehensive reports for that patient's admission or case. Please note that the practitioner will be able to access round lists directly from the diary screen so that hospital rounds can be coordinated with the bookings in the diary for this specific practitioner. In this video, we will start on the diary screen. Click on a hospital round list tab on the navigation bar. The hospital round list screen will open. We will now take a look at the various fields and sections within this screen. The action bar section is utilized for setting basic filters and selecting a specific service center, enabling the practitioner to manage and create an efficient workflow. It also allows the practitioner to sort the results list for better management of admitted patients. Click on a Select Service Center drop-down menu and select the desired service center, which is the facility where the patient will receive treatment or undergo a procedure. Please note that the available options on the Service Center drop-down menu will be dependent on the setup of the practice. For more information on the setup of the service centers, please refer to the Create a Service Center user manual, linked in this video's description. Click on the search field to search for a desired patient by using the patient's demographic details and file information. Click on the Case Status drop-down menu and select the applicable option, which will indicate the current position of the patient in the hospitalization process. Click on the Download CSV button to download the hospital round report in CSV format to your local device. To add a patient to the hospital round list, click on the New Admission button. To learn more about adding newly admitted patients, please refer to the New Admissions Hospital Round List user manual, linked in this video's description. The filter options are tools that enables the practitioner to set more advanced sub-filters on the results list to look for a desired case. Click on the Filter button to apply that specific filter to the list. For more information regarding this, please refer to the Hospital Round List Filter Options user manual, linked in this video's description. The results list will display the patient's admission information per column. The last visited column will display when the practitioner last visited the patient and will show the status of the visit according to a specific color. Gray will indicate either that the practitioner or the patient was not available for the visit due to various reasons. Green means the patient was last seen today. Red means the patient has not been seen in more than 3 days. Orange means the patient was last seen yesterday. Click on a case, which will open the hospital round list sidebar. The hospital round sidebar is an extended screen on the right side where more functions can be accessed and information is shown about the patient that was booked. To learn more about this sidebar, please refer to the hospital round list sidebar navigation and use user manual, linked in this video's description. Lastly, Quick Events will allow the practitioner to use shortcuts to access their most used or favorite clinical workflow events. To learn more on how to set up Quick Events, please refer to the Easy Events user manual, linked in this video's description.